Yep. All right. Next up is Mr. Winston. Give me 1 second, Mr. Winston. All right, you can go ahead.
I'm going to play this music by Chopin here.
All right, round of applause for Mr. Winston. And we're going to do a very quick turnaround here. I'm going to give you guys only about 40 seconds on this poll because we got to get going. Matthew, did you want to talk real quick?
I think you could make it faster, and you can add have a wider range of dynamics. And I think you also should add more body movement.
Okay, great. So make sure you're getting on this all down, Mr. Winston. Julia, we're going to go one more person after this.
Okay, yeah, I think you should also speed it up, yeah. And then I think the left hand was sort of loud, and as someone who played this before, I think it should be like smoother, I guess. Well, like when you speed it up, it'll get like smoother.
Okay, great. Let's go one more person. Leanne, give some feedback.
I think you should go faster.
Okay, thank you. 1 second. I'm going to just reset here for you guys. And then we got one.
You're muted.
Okay, guys, we're going to reset here and then Leanne's going to play.